So I am making a quick pickle. So I'm gonna start with this mason jar, and I already have 1 cup of water in here. So that's good. We're gonna cut up some of our cucumber. You just need 1 cucumber, that's it. Just cut it up. It doesn't have to be pretty. It could be pretty, but I'm not really making it pretty, am I? So now we're gonna use rice vinegar, and we're gonna put just about 1/3 of a cup or in here also. So just watch me pour. Take a while. So we're about where we need to be for the vinegar. And then for some sugar, you want to put about 2 tablespoons of sugar in here. So 1. Oh. But I don't really like mine that sweet, so I'm just gonna put 1.5 tablespoons of sugar in here. You don't need to put that much, you know. And then you also want to do salt, which I'm just gonna do like a little sea salt. And you want about, let's say, 1 to 1 teaspoon of salt. So let's find that 1 teaspoon of salt. So just about 1 teaspoon. Obviously, this is not the best way to do it, but whatever. There we go. About that much salt. And because I like mine to be kind of spicy, then just do red crushed pepper flakes. You can do, like, if you have jalapeno peppers, you can throw it in here, cut it in half. But that's about it. And then also gonna cut up a scallion, a green onion, whatever you want to call it. Let's cut that up, and we'll throw that in there too. So this is not my usual cutting dish, but I just wanted to do something really quick. So I didn't even pull out my cutting board. But all of those are gonna go together. And this is just for a quick pickle. Alright, throw that in there also. And what I would use this for is basically if I'm doing, like, if I have sushi rice and I want something refreshing and quick to put on it, I always find pickles are great, and then just like the protein and the seaweed. So this is just useful for so many things. See, all that went to the bottom. So make sure you shake it up really well before you even add the pickle, so all the liquids and everything is incorporated. And then open it up, and then throw your pickles in there. As much as you can fit, just throw it in there. Ooh, it looks like it's overflowing a bit, which is when, like, you might have to pour some out. So what you could do is get a bowl, pour this in the bowl, and just continue putting as much pickle as you can in there. And then throw this in there. And throw the remaining pickles in there. Because I made too much. So, what you do is, you have a good amount in there, and then you close it up. You put it in the fridge. The best thing to do is to like have this in the fridge for overnight. The longer it's in there, the better, because flavors melt together. And that's how I make my little pickled cucumber. Not exact science, and I will never have an exact science for you guys, but the remaining pickle juice, which is the pickling juice that I have, I'm just going to throw the remaining cucumbers in there, and then I'll have this as a snack later. And that would be my snack for later, like in 10 minutes. That would be really nice and refreshing. And then you can just put this in your fridge. So there you go.